Hey there YouTube, what's going on? It's What's on Tap for the before premiere video of exclusive content here on YouTube, but we're putting this link on everywhere else. But hey, this is being just uploaded on YouTube. We are currently sitting here with Marty. Also, you guys might be wondering who this guy is. This is Kyle doing our camera work here at FarmHouse Brewery, and so excited because we are trying out the IPAs you have here. So everyone knows IPAs. What do you have here at FarmHouse?
Our IPAs are all 100% New York State ingredients. They both the hops and the malt. So we probably should start with Just Another. It's more of our East Coast IPA, so it's very low bittering.
This one?
Yeah,
this guy. I'll jump in here.
There you go.
Yep.
There you go, Kyle.
Thank you.
We use a little bit of, we use New York State oats as well as wheat and barley. A lot of hops. It's still not. It's not
that bitter, even with all the hops. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's why we'll finish with the other one. It's more of a West Coast, more bitter and hoppy.
I definitely taste that IPA flavor. I mean, it's got everything. If you're an IPA fan, you're not going to be upset here. This is awesome.
I'm super basic. I love my New England IPAs. I'm from New England. I think just in the name itself, but like this is what I think of when I think of New England IPA. Like it's just
Boston.
And again, it's more New England because it's all grown here in New York.
Yeah, exactly. So Northeastern IPA. We'll substitute the NE. It works.
She's down the house.
I drink my beer. I like beer. That's how it is.
So the second one is our Imperial Post Hole. We started off with the Post Hole.
Thank you.
I'm a nice guy.
First thing I did when I bought my farm was we put it in a hop yard, which is a real pain in the ass because it's 20 foot. You have to have 20 feet of pole above ground, so you have to have 6 feet of pole below ground. So it's all about getting your post holes in correctly. Yeah. So
hence the name.
First IPA we named Post Hole because that was our biggest thing we had to worry about.
Thank you.
This is great. It's very smooth.
And it's more traditional. It's a little richer, a little more caramel.
Yeah, you get a little less of the citrus that you get in the Northeast as we adapted style IPAs, and
you get a good malt flavor and a good hoppiness with some bitter, good solid bitterness.
They're both solid.
Man of many words, both solid.
Marty, we can't thank you enough here. Having us come here and be able to taste the beers. IPAs, awesome. You got down. So
yeah, we have several others that we get to try out. You're gonna have to check us out. Are we ready to drop the date? It's exclusive.
July 23rd, everybody.
You now know July 23rd. YouTube, Facebook, we're gonna have it all over. IPAs are great. This place has so much more to offer that there was a lot of ingredients that we were shocked to hear were in a beer, so we can't wait to share that with you.
Yeah, you have to watch this one. So,
I'll see.
This episode, FarmHouse Brewery, that's breaking news too. So we're doing a 2-episode release come July 23rd. So Water Street Brewing Company and FarmHouse Brewery. Can't wait to show you guys. We're so excited to show you. Thank you so much.
Cheers, thanks.
Cheers, appreciate it.
Boom.